and come into merged Vyasana. Knees under your hip, palms under your, pull your belly in and lift both your knees 2-3 inches off the floor and stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Relax in child pose. Once again, all the balancing asanas actually hit the internal organs. So the asana that we are doing right now might hit hunger pan in between the session or maybe after the session. Not necessarily hoga yoga, but few of you might hit hunger pan. Okay. Let's again pull, lift your knees 3 to 4 inches off the floor. Stay. Micro bend your elbows and stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and relax. Relax in child pose. And let's get ready for the final round. But in this final round, what we will be doing, we'll keep it up and then we'll touch our knee with the elbow and back. So our knees will be up, lifted all the time, both the knees. But we will also move one knee to the elbow and back and then the other leg. So something like this. Knees up ही है, but I'm touching it. Fine. Let's do it. Pull your belly in. Micro bend your elbows. Knees off the floor. And start touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax.